Welcome to GK at Tamosri. The state of India has levied ₹50 per person on tourists visiting the state from March 2025. A. Tamil Nadu, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Bihar, D. Sikkim. D. Sikkim. The Prem Singh Tameng government in Sikkim has imposed ₹50 as entry fee for tourists entering the state. This has been made applicable from 15th March 2025. The fees have been introduced under provisions of the Sikkim Registration Tourist Trade Route 2025. The fees will be paid by tourists visiting the state and will be valid for stay up to 30 days. In which country have over 300 measles cases been reported in 2025? A. India, B. United States, C. China, D. Japan. B. United States. Measles is a highly contagious airborne viral disease that can lead to severe complications and death. In which state was the Lachit Borphukan Police Academy inaugurated by Amit Shah? A. Assam, B. West Bengal, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Kerala. A. Assam. Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation Sri Amit Shah said that in the next 5 years, the Lachit Borphukan Police Academy will be ranked first among all police academies across the country. Who has unveiled world's first electric tactical all-terrain vehicle? A. Tata Motors, B. Mahindra, C. Ashok Leyland, D. Pravik Dynamics. D. Pravik Dynamics. The Bengaluru-based EV startup Pravik Dynamic has unveiled the world's first electrical tactical all-terrain vehicle named Veer. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Skechers? A. Jasprit Bumrah, B. Subman Gill, C. Rohit Sharma, D. Rishabh Pant. A. Jasprit Bumrah. A renowned Indian cricketer, Bumrah has signed as a brand ambassador of Skechers, joined with the Skechers family, and Yashika Bhatia and Ishan Kishan also signed a brand ambassador of Skechers. Who is the author of the book Leo, The Untold Story of CSK? A. P.S. Raman, B. Stephen Fleming, C. M.S. Dhoni, D. Matthew Hayden. A. P.S. Raman. A new book on Chennai Super Kings Leo, The Untold Story, authored by senior advocate and former TNCA Vice President P.S. Raman, was officially launched in the presence of former CSK skipper M.S. Dhoni, who was the chief guest at the 19th Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025. A. Narendra Modi, B. Draupadi Murmu, C. Amit Shah, D. Jagdeep Dhankar. B. Draupadi Murmu. The 19th edition of awards honored 27 journalists across print and digital formats in 13 categories, including investigative journalism, sports, politics, indie government books, feature writing, and regional languages. Where was the Sri S. Ramakrishnan Center of Excellence in Fluid and Thermal Science Research launched? A. IIT Bangalore, B. IIT Madras, C. IIT Delhi, D. IIT Kanpur. B. IIT Madras. ISRO Chairman Dr. V. Narayan launches Research Center at IIT Madras. The center will function as a primary hub for research in heat transfer, cooling system, and fluid dynamics, essential for next generation spacecraft and satellite technologies. Who became first bank to introduce online digital balance confirmation certificate? A. SBI, B. HDFC Bank, C. ICICI Bank, D. Canara Bank. D. Canara Bank became first bank to introduce an online digital balance confirmation certificate through the PSP Alliance Private Limited portal, enhancing efficiency and eliminating manual process. Who has been recently named Fit India Icon by Union Sports Ministry? A. Salman Khan, B. Akshay Kumar, C. Hrithik Roshan, D. Ayushmann Khurrana. A. Ayushmann Khurrana. Renowned Bollywood actor Ayushmann Khurrana has been officially named as the Fit India icon by Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia, who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of Bajaj Auto. A. Rahul Bajaj, B. Raju Bajaj, C. Sanjeev Bajaj, D. Pawan Bajaj. B. Rajiv Bajaj has been reappointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Bajaj Auto for another 5-year term starting 1st April 2025. India has approved the Chandrayaan-5 mission in collaboration with which country? A. France, B. Japan, C. America, D. Russia. B. Japan. The government has approved the ambitious Chandrayaan-5 mission, which aimed to steady the moon with a significantly heavier rover than its predecessors, according to ISRO chairman V. Narayanan, who has launched the Pradhan Mantri Internship Scheme app. A. Narendra Modi, B. Amit Shah, C. Piyush Goyal, D. Nirmala Sitharaman. D. Nirmala Sitharaman. Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched mobile app for Prime Minister Internship Scheme, targeting 1.25 lakh internships for 2024 to 25. Which country has ranked as the world's happiest for the 8th consecutive year? A. Sweden, B. Finland, C. Norway, D. Denmark. B. Finland has consistently topped as the world's happiest report ranking, securing the title of happiest country for 8 years in a row. North India's first nuclear power project will be established in which state? A. Haryana, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. A. Haryana. North India's first nuclear power project will be established in Gorakhpur, Haryana. The project is a significant milestone in India's nuclear energy expansion and a crucial step towards the country's clean energy goals. Who has been awarded the 2025 Holberg Prize? A. Homi K. Baba, B. Amartya Sen, C. Martha Nussbaum, D. Gayatri Spivak. D. Gayatri Spivak. The 2025 Holberg Prize has been awarded to Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak, a prominent Indian scholar and literacy theorist, for her groundbreaking work in comparative literature, translation, post-colonial studies, political philosophy, and feminist theory. What is the name of the recently launched initiative to promote Indian biotech startups? A. BioSharti, B. BioShakti, C. BioNirman, D. BioInnovation. A. BioSharti. The Government of India has launched the BioSharti initiative to support Indian biotech startups to expand their domestic and global reach and business. Which spacecraft brought Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore back to Earth? A. Blue Origin, B. Soyuz MS-23, C. SpaceX Crew Dragon, D. Boeing Starliner. C. SpaceX Crew Dragon. Astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore are back on Earth after spending 9 unplanned months in space. Which country became the first team to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup after the host nations? A. India, B. Russia, C. China, D. Japan. D. Japan became the first country other than 3 host nations to qualifying for the World Cup. It will be their 8th consecutive appearance at the tournament. Which country will host the 11th Asian Swimming Championship recently? A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Bhutan, D. China. A. India will host 11th Asian Swimming Championship at Ahmedabad Naranpura Sports Complex. Answer for last video was 1863. Satyendranath Tagore became the first Indian to pass the Indian Civil Service examination in 1863. He is Rabindranath Tagore's elder brother. The video is available on iQOD. Who has appointed Rishabh Pant as its brand ambassador? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.